These flavor-packed ground turkey meatballs are a perfect way to add additional protein to your diet. They're quick, they're easy, and they will make a welcome addition to your dinner table and or meal prep. Hello everyone, I am Deborah. Welcome to my channel. I am now 60 years old and I am making healthier choices with the foods that I eat. So if you are one to also want to make healthier choices with the foods that you eat, regardless of what age you are, then welcome to my channel. So glad that you stopped by. Today's recipe is a ground turkey meatball. I'm telling you guys, these things, not only are they high protein, they're low fat, they are juicy, flavor packed, and I am going to make them with a marinara sauce. Absolutely delicious with my high protein pasta that I'm serving it with. But I will also tell you that they will be absolutely phenomenal in a creamy mushroom sauce as well. So you guys stay tuned for that video because I will definitely be coming back to you with that recipe as well. So you guys, if you are ready to cook, so am I because I'm hungry. But one other thing, you guys, tell me how you feel about my pre-fall decor here. Yeah, I did a little pre-fall decorating. The seasons are starting to change from summer into fall, and I just wanted to update the space a little bit to inspire me to get into these fall recipes. So if you're not yet seen that video, I will leave the link in the part above and also leave in the comments. Let me know how you feel about this as well. So you guys, I'm hungry. So without further ado, let's cook. The first thing I want to do to make these meatballs is to saute these onions. So join me at the stove. To our skillet, we're going to add a little bit of olive oil and our onions. And continue to cook until they are translucent. All right, guys, these onions are ready. So let's go ahead and set these aside. And let's go ahead and make these meatballs. So to my bowl, I already put in my meat. I've opted to use ground turkey and some ground turkey sausage. Of course, you put in exactly what you want, whether it be all beef, a combination of sausage and beef. Sometimes people put veal in their meatballs. You decide exactly what it is that you like to do. So I've already had my meat in here, and to it, we're going to start layering in the rest of the ingredients. We're going to put in some Italian seasoning, minced garlic, grated Parmesan cheese, almond flour, salt, pepper, and I'm going to go ahead and mix these ingredients. Okay, all of these ingredients are well combined, so at this point I am going to add these onions that have cooled down. And our egg. And I always like to crack my egg in a separate container just to make sure there are no shells and make sure the egg is actually good. And to this mixture it goes. Okay, this meat looks good. So what I'm going to do is I am going to bring over the board that I used for my meat, and then we are going to form these meatballs. Okay, I am using this scoop so that I can get the perfect size for each of the meatballs, which is going to be approximately 2.5 tablespoons. Let's drop them on this board for the time being, and then we are going to come back and roll them into balls. Okay, let's set this aside and bring in our baking dish. And I also have some plastic gloves on, you guys, so that way when I roll these meatballs, they do not stick to my hands. And I also put some oil on these gloves as well. And that is going to help. See how perfectly formed that is? All right. And just proceed to lay them in your baking container until we get through. All right, and we are at the end. Okay, so at this point, you guys, we are going to bring this tray of meatballs to our preheated 350-degree oven. And then when I come back, I'm going to show you how to put the sauce together. Okay, guys, so I have decided to add some additional meat to my sauce. So I have some turkey sausage here that I have cut into small discs, about ½ inch in thickness so they can cook evenly. So first thing I'm going to do is add some olive oil to my skillet and add in my sausage. Okay, this sausage looks good. Let's add in some minced garlic, some oregano, and our sauce. And turn down this flame and let this simmer so all of these flavors can come together. Okay, everyone, so this sauce has been at a low simmer and these meatballs are out of the oven. So let's go ahead and add them to our sauce. Okay, I'm going to let this simmer for about 10 minutes and then, you guys, it will be time to eat. All right, everyone, this sauce is ready.